Hi guys. So today we are going to do a very interesting question and a very trivial problem also. We'll find the middle node of a singly linked list. So I just read the problem statement out loud. Uh, Given a non-empty singly linked list with head node head, return a middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, basically if the list is even, return the second middle node. So let's just see some test cases. In case of 1, 2, 3, and 5. Since it's odd, so it will only have one middle node, which would be n plus 1 by 2. In this case, 5 plus 1 by 2, which is basically the third node. So we'll have to return the address of the third node. Okay. And in case of even, we'll have to return the address of the second middle node, which in this case is 4. The address of 4. Okay. So let's just draw a linked list first. This okay, I have horrible drawing skills, but nevertheless. Uh, okay, so here I have drawn odd length linked list, and let's draw even length. So, yeah, I'm just running out of it. Let's just connect it. Dash 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 and dash. Okay, cool. Okay. Sorry, just had to pause for a minute, but nevertheless, okay. So I have taken two linked lists here. The length of the first linked list is odd, and the length of the second linked list is even. So the first approach to solve this question which comes to my mind is just traverse through the linked list and get the whole length. In this case, that would be 5. In this case, that would be 4. And in case of odd, like once we know the whole length, in case of odd, traverse till n plus 1 by 2, basically the third node, which in this case would be this third. And in case of even, traverse till n plus 1 n by 2 plus 1th node, which in this case would also be third. Since in case of an even English, we just have to return this address of the second node. So how can we solve this? In basic, like I just want to solve this is a very trivial approach. I just want to solve this in one traversal basically. I don't want to first calculate the whole length and then traverse the loop again and find this. So a better way to do this question in just one traversal is basically approach we basically will use frequently in many other questions, which is called slow pointer and fast pointer. So what we'll do in that basically, uh, we'll maintain two pointers, both pointing to head of the linked list initially. Let's just call first S and other F. Okay, what we'll do now, we'll increment S by 1. Basically, we'll do S equal to X next. Okay, so instead of this, I think I should do it here. Okay, so we'll increment slow, which would be slow ka next, and we'll increment fast, which would be uh, fast ka next. So what we are actually doing here is it's very simple. We are maintaining two pointers. Initially, both are pointing to head, and we are increasing one pointer by basically 1, and another by 2, and we'll do this till the fast pointer is equal to null or fast ka next is equal to null. So let's just do a trial run on this linked list. Uh, Basically, we'll increment slow by 1, so slow would be here. Sorry for that. Uh, Basically, slow would be pointing here. We'll increment fast by 2. Fast is equal to next car next. Basically, fast would be pointing here. Since fast car next is not equal to null and fast also is not equal to null, so we'll increment this again. We'll do the whole process again. In that case, slow would be pointing to here, and fast would be pointing to somewhere here, null basically. So in this case, after that we'll not do anything because fast is already null. So after this whole process, will simply return the address of the slow pointer, and that would be the address of the middle node. Okay, this will also work in case of an odd increase. I just do a trial run again to make things absolutely clear, crystal clear. Let's just make, sorry, let's just make odd level, odd length linked list. Okay, so let's just take this. So this is a linked list. Assume that these are connected. This by this, and this. Okay. Again, maintain two pointers. Slow, head, slow, and sorry, head and fast. Increment slow by one and fast by two. Slow pointing here, fast pointing here. F S. Since fast is not equal to one, fast next is not equal to one, so fast will be pointing here and slow will be pointing here. Now in this case, fast ka next is equal to null. Basically, it means that we have to end here, and after the process, we just have to return the address of the slow pointer, which is pointing here, and this is our middle node. Okay, so I hope you got the approach, and now we'll just simply code the whole logic. So this just declare a slow pointer, which would be equal to head. Let's just do a fast, which will also be equal to head, and while fast next is not equal to null, and fast is not equal to null. Okay, we'll just do this. Slow would be equal to slow next, and fast would be equal to fast next since we are incrementing that by 2. Okay, and after the whole process, we'll just return the address of the slow pointer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if it works. Okay, so well done. Okay, a small typo here. Okay, this works here. Let's see if it does not give any errors. So this shows runtime member access within null pointer of like list mode. Okay, so basically what we'll have to do, we just have to write this pehle, and we'll sort out, because it makes sense to write that first. Suppose like fast is not equal. Basically, what's happening here is if fast connects is equal to null, we just have to basically check if fast का null होना चाहिए, बाद में fast connects होना चाहिए. Basically यही है, कुछ नहीं है, हो जाएगा. Now it will be okay. Yeah, it does work. So hope you understand the concept. This is a very 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 trivial concept, but it's difficult to understand it the very first time. So I'll advise you to do these kind of questions much more, and you will be used to it. Thank you and take care, guys.